मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बनाया था 2011 में और मैंने बेच दिया था एडिया में एंड IBFC में एंड इट somehow came in the top 200.
We had two people who had come from Andaman. We had two people from Azamgarh. We had a few people who had come from very different locations. And hobby is very important. One musical instrument, one Gana, Bajana, yeah, something. Right. So I broke all the instruments. So I was expert in that. Today we are at Calcutta and at an event organized by Kolkata Fish Federation. This is the Ornamental Fish Expo. We've just completed 3 beautiful aquascapes, one Dutchscape, one aquascape behind me which is being done by Rahul Da, who is India's best aquascaper at this moment. And the third aquascape was done by Devraj Ghosh.
Absolutely correct.
So I've known Dada for many years now, maybe 15, 18 years, maybe more, I don't know. But I've always known you in good light and as a great aquascaper. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन हो जाए आज के इस aquascaping के बारे में, आपने जो टेंट सेट किया इसके बारे में एक चिट चैट हो जाए. So दादा, aquascaping आपके लिए क्या मायना रखता है? I mean, this video can be in English and Hindi. So however, what are you comfortable?
Basically, aquascaping means the world to me. अगर एक क्लब्स में बोला जाए तो it means everything to me. तो ये कीड़ा जो है, I think this bug sort of bite. I think it was 2010 जब ये कीड़ा मुझे काट दिया था. And after that एक होता है कि शॉक and then professional कुछ ये था, मतलब commitments था उसके लिए. I could not really pursue it. So I had to wait for the right moment. Finally, I think in 2010 I kind of started with my first aquascape.
And this was after Amano came 2009 and 2010-11 was the time you also won your first prize for aquascape.
It was 2013.
13. Okay, 13.
But I did not actually compete in PGIC in 2013. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बनाया था 2011 में और मैंने बेच दिया था एडिया में एंड IBFC में एंड इट somehow came in the top 200.
Wow.
Now back in 2011-12, top 200 meant a lot.
Yes. So now even today it means a lot.
See, it was my first time. So it was my first attempt at aquascaping and I got a top 200. So it was kind of a big push for me. A lot of people said, "Arey, it's a big thing, yaar. I'm doing well, so why not do more?" तो क्या होता है ना, success kind of makes you more hungry and you really want to strive. In 2013, I did my most ambitious project. Okay, अच्छा wood बना के I did a project called Pongo, and then I won the TGIC that year, and I came in the top 100 also, the up 100. So that's how the journey started. So you can say that from 2010-11, and obviously we used to go to Bangalore for the TGIC contest, correct? With hobbies, because this time this kind of programs or this kind of platform was not available in Western India or Kolkata. There was one very interesting workshop which was done by ADA. I think it was in the year 2012. I was the one who organized it. So that was one landmark event that all the hobbyists kind of remembered. Otherwise, we have no other option but to move to Bangalore once a year also. वो तो चलता रहता था. But I was telling Mayur that how the aquascaping community has evolved in the city of Joy, because पहले सबसे ज़्यादा aquascapers are from the city of Joy. Exactly, the top aquascapers of India are from Kolkata, are not from Kolkata, are from the state of West Bengal. Correct. So even in the districts, you have so much of footprint of aquascaping. There are shops in the districts. अभी जब हम लोग का program हो रहा था, it was quite interesting interacting with a person who has come all the way from Patna for this workshop.
We had 2 people who had come from Andaman. We had 2 people from Azamgarh. We had a few people who had come from very different locations.
So it is spreading its roots, you can say, slowly but surely. धीरे धीरे root जो है ना aquascaping का जो कीड़ा है, ये धीरे धीरे it is spreading. I think today's event is a testimony of the fact that how it is becoming more and more popular. So even in the late evening, right now we can see so many people gathered here and they are watching क्या हो रहा है, कौन सा wood डाला जा रहा है, कौन सा plant, and these are all people who are not part of the organizing team. They are all from the crowd and they said, नहीं हम लोग को planting करना है. We want to really do it. I said, why not? So that is a kind of enthusiasm. It's a great city. We are all nature lovers. People of the city, they love traveling. We want to go places. They respect Mother Nature. And he wants us to, go to the districts, go to as many people as see, because I think, this is one art form that has not been promoted or recognized as a good art form. See,
कोई पेंटिंग करता है, कोई समझता है।
पेंटिंग स्टैटिक है, यहाँ पे आपका जो यू आर मेकिंग अ लाइव कैनवस और नेचर एक्वेरियम इज अ
Living canvas, because once you put it together, there is life in it.
एंड यू नो द फॉर्मेट एंड द लाइफ. जैसे एक बच्चा छोटा सा या बड़ा होता है ना, उसका फीचर्स चेंज होता है, उसका फिजिकलिटी चेंज होता है, उसका साइज चेंज हो जाता है. द सेम थिंग इज ऑल्सो एप्लीकेबल फॉर एन एक्वास्केप बिकॉज इट्स अ लाइफ. एक एक्वास्केप जब एक हफ्ता पुराना होता है, सी इट्स इवॉल्विंग. सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट, बिकॉज हर विथ ईच एंड एवरी कटिंग, विथ ईच एंड एवरी प्रूनिंग, आप देखते हो कि अलग से चेहरा, लाइक व्हाट वी डू विद आवर हेयर, यू नो, ऑल्दो आई डोंट हैव मच ऑफ हेयर टू टॉक अबाउट, बट एनीवे व्हाट वी डू विद आवर हेयर इज दैट हम लोग डिफरेंट स्टाइल बनाते हैं ना. सो सिमिलरली विद अ लाइफ, यू नो, विद अ लिविंग एक्वास्केप, with every cutting, with your planting design, you can give a different feel and look to it.
See, there's another very beautiful element, Dada, you will also agree. ये एक तो आर्ट फॉर्म है, दूसरा एक aquarium या aquascape, planted aquarium, nature aquarium, you call it whatever you want, in its own is a complete school for any child growing up learning science. From school you will learn more science having this at home than you will learn from all your textbooks.
Absolutely.
Okay, so chemistry, botany, physics, zoology, so वो क्या और क्या है, sciences और क्या है, सब कुछ, carpentry, plumbing, electrical, electronic, और क्या है दादा?
It is the perfect harmony of art and science.
Exactly, beautifully put together, right?
And what happens is that आज के डेट में, if you see our lives, you know, there are so many gadgets. If you look at the kids, you know, always surrounded with gadgets, playing games.
वो वीडियो गेम्स, कंप्यूटर गेम, दिमाग का दही हो गया सब.
The problem is we can see that, you know, people are losing their immunity. Yeah. Okay, धीरे-धीरे ऐसा बीमारी हो रहा है. So we need to connect back with nature. That is very important. And the beauty of this hobby is that you have the advantage that you can just make an aquascape in your drawing room, and you can actually introduce your kids to a different world. They can connect with nature. They can feel nature from such an early stage of their life. So it is very important. It's like
I made an aquarium for somebody, you know, I can't say names here, but very senior person in the government. And I requested him, sir, he said, Mayur, where can we put the aquarium? I said, sir, can we remove the TV from here, the drawing room, and put an aquarium? TV आप कहीं और रख लो.
correct.
He said, Mayur, fantastic idea, बना दो. Today they spend the whole family, उनका rule है, खाना खाने के बाद they all come and sit in front of the aquarium. They spend 1 hour talking to each other. They sit in front of the aquarium, they discuss, they talk to each other, because and that works.
Absolute works.
Right?
तो अभी हम लोग देखते हैं कि डिनर टेबल पे व्हाट मयूर इज सेइंग, एवरीबॉडी द होल फैमिली इज ऑन द फोन, बट एवरीबॉडी इज बिजी, यू नो. तो हम लोग एक अलग दुनिया में चले गए. आई मीन वी आर ऑल इनटू सोशल मीडिया एंड you know the speeds are very important, but we have to allow it to switch off.
They're watching this on social media.
But it's very important to switch off. कि कब करना है, कब switch on करना है.
नहीं अभी वीडियो कंटिन्यू देखो, स्विच ऑफ मत करो. और भी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है.
In fact, Mayur, we know each other for last 15-16 years, but I also don't know, when did you start like your aquascaping journey and what were the, you know, triggers? See,
So scaping, I can't say. Aquascaping, my trigger was to this hobby. Acha, I started when I was 6 or 7. Okay, we had a beautiful pond in front of our house, and my grandfather was the one who kind of. So you belong to that? I belong to Bangalore. My mother is from Mysore, and for us, like a Bengali household, hobby is very important. One musical instrument, one gana, bajana, yeah, something.
right?
So I broke all the instruments. So I was expert in that. One game you have to compulsorily play. You have to read a book before going, and you need to have a hobby. I used to keep dogs always. I've always had dogs. Okay, and more importantly, I mean, aquariums connected with me well because, again, see, I wanted to keep birds, but then everybody in the house, we had a joint family, and they said birds are noisy, keep aquarium. And what did they know? I had like 50-60 aquariums all around the house, and I said, see, that's what you told me, so I'm keeping. So aquarium started like that, and there was a pond in front of our house, जिसमें I wanted to keep fish. That was where I started. और मतलब नेचुरल पॉन्ड बाबा ने नहीं, वो नेचुरल बनाया हुआ मेरा रॉक था, उसकी अराउंडिंग खोद दिया, उसमें वाटर लीक हो रहा था, वाटर प्रूफिंग कराया, देन मछली मरने लगे. सो ग्रैंडफादर टुक मी टू यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल साइंसेस हेब्बाल इन बैंगलोर, बिकॉज वहाँ पे जान पहचान थे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिशरीज में. आई वेंट इन टू द हॉल, आई वॉकड आउट ऑफ द हॉल. आई सेड, दादाजी चलो वापस घर जाते हैं, इनको मछली मारना आता है, जिंदा रखना नहीं आता, हमको जिंदा रखना है. Because it was all in that formalin bottle. I think that is my trigger, कि बस मुझे जिंदा रखना है. So that is when I started studying more and more कि ये मछली कहाँ मिलता है, किधर मिलता है. So my trips to go and observe, observation trips, treks, all this started happening. Jungle areas में जाओ, पानी में अंदर सर बैठ के देखो कि हो क्या रहा है. Try to figure out what is happening, what are they eating. All this started from there. 2005-6 or little earlier. Okay. ये planted aquarium का, especially because of some seniors, Madan Subramaniam and all of them, Bangalore people,
All big legends, yeah.
legends in their own right. They were all shippies and traveling all over the world, and they used to get magazines. They used to do in their house, and we used to see, "Bhai, ye kya ho raha hai, yaar? What the hell is happening here? Plants are growing beautifully. Photosynthesis is happening," and that triggered. And then, of course, Amano was a huge inspiration.
So when did you first come to know about Amano?
2003-4, I think. I'd seen a magazine.
2003-4.
Yeah. So that means I'd seen a magazine that Madan had brought from a US. The journal आया था, but it was all in Japanese.
So basically, you were saying that you came to know about Amano almost 12 years before I came to know.
Yeah.
Almost 10 years before I.
So I started. So in 2007, I think, even before Amano came to India, we got 1 bag of soil imported from Singapore, hand carried from Singapore. That time I paid 4,000 rupees.
My God.
And then we shared little to see what will happen. It doesn't work like that. Okay. That is, after that is when, Adip and me got into this thing ki jaake ADA leke aate hain. And so that's when it all started. The whole idea of bringing ADA into India came into like that because,
So when we think of it, I mean, it was way back in what, 2007?
Yeah. And 2009 Amano came, no?
Yeah. So thinking about someone venturing into aquascaping, business, or an aquascaping, trying to promote aquascaping way back in 2007 in India was something very, very adventurous. Or something, it takes a lot of guts and a lot of vision to start.
I'll tell you, 2014, okay, I started my operations in Bombay for Stillwater Aquatics, ADA India. Started it in Bombay. And Marathi mein, there is a very nice word called Yera. Yera, mad, pagal in Marathi.
ADA. Yeah, we know. We all relate to that term.
Yera. So actually, when I went to the shops, they would say, Yera company wala hai dekh. Okay, so that is how people looked at us. And they said, "You're selling soil in a bag for this. What is wrong with you? You're mad or what?" Okay. But today it's changed, Dada. I think it's a lot of effort. See, I'm not saying it is just me. It was a group effort. It was effort by everybody. And see, like Gautam Da in Calcutta, Adip in Bangalore, me, few others. We all put an effort to promoting that whole idea of planted aquariums, nature aquariums. And we did it all in our own way. Of course, I got into social media and videos and stuff like that. They all did their bit.
Correct. So in fact, I mean, when we come to the city of joy, we need to talk about Gautam Gupta also. So she was one of those rare visionaries who also kind of ventured into this, and it is basically because of his help.
See, because yeah, and I would also credit, of course, Gautam Da. Amano, I give a lot of credit because aaj agar we have our own Indian made soil, somewhere it was his inspiration. Okay, because see, of course, today getting products from abroad or whatever, it's not a problem, but they are not designed for India.
Correct.
Okay, every imported product that people buy today, I've spoken to all of them. I was in Super Zoo, Las Vegas last year in August. Okay, I spoke to the biggest of biggest companies. They're very clear. We make products for Japan, America. Okay, any other product, any other brand, they don't make for India. Okay, so that is what kind of hurt me at some level, saying.
But did we look at it? I mean, that sounds. I mean, it's a little bit of a paradox because we see the biggest of the programs happening in India. Biggest of the programs, they want to come into India because of the way are growing, but somehow they don't see, India as a growing or as a potential market maybe.
Correct. So I mean that I believe is wrong, but so that is when we said, "Nahi, sab Indian banayenge."
Why not? Why not just make it for the Indian audience? I don't want, for example, the lights that we see at the back. It's basically not indigenous.
See, but I am amazed. Everything here is Indian.
Absolutely. The tanks are
Indian made. The light is Indian made. The soil is Indian. It's such a amazing feeling, right?
Absolutely right. Because we have been trying to do this, or we have been thinking about something like this for the last 10 years, but finally we see somebody getting
a chance to do it. So this is good, Dada. This is a good chat. I think bahut saal baad, this was a main pair to come. Many more to come.
Absolutely. Many more. Thanks for coming to the city of joy. We always have.
This is my favorite place. Mera most favorite वो सुबह सुबह जाना है मेरे को रसगुल्ला खाने.
So you are a Jamai Babu, you know, 100%.
अरे sir, I get down in the airport, luggage में somebody come, दादा मयूर देव. I'm like, yeah.
Luggage मैं मंगा दूँ. But anyway, it's nice to have you here.
So thank you all. Thank you, Dada. This was amazing. And special thanks to Shifu Tanks. Okay, Dev Agya. Dev Agya. Thank you very much. And like always, हमेशा की तरह हमारे तरफ से आप सबको thank you, नमस्ते, खुदाफिज, शबा खैर and सत श्री अकाल. All the best.